Last year, Porch pirates stole 119 million packages across the country. Could have been from your front yard in the United States. And 38% of victims believe their doorbell cameras, do you have one? They said it did not deter thieves.
So how can you upgrade your home security system this year? Home contractor Skip BEDELL joins us with the latest.
Guys,
this is so cool.
Yeah, it's super cool. So you're right. The basic camera systems, the regular doorbell camera systems, just not cutting it anymore. This is Deep Sentinel. It's the highest tech camera system that's available out there on the market. It combines a 24/7 security guard built into this. So the camera system can be mounted anywhere because it's totally wireless. It works with a hub. You get this whole set. It runs on a rechargeable battery, so you can mount it on a tree, on a fence, anywhere. You can put it on the side of your house. The idea is you want to get a perimeter around your property. If someone approaches your property, they are greeted with a live 24/7 security guard, so you never have to turn this on. They're going to be sent away by the security guard.
Because the difference is there are a lot of different brands of security cameras. They might just send an alert to your phone.
Yeah.
This has somebody
So this is what you're going to get.
It.
Yeah, you're going to get an actual.
You in the black jacket, drop the package. This is Deep Sentinel Security, and your image is being recorded, and the police are being notified.
I have a few different samples on
scary.
here, so you're going to see what it sounds like. If someone walks up to your house, they're going to get that sound. They're going to get an alarm. They're going to get a
That's
red.
a live person.
It's a live person, so you're getting 24/7 security guard. So they're going to say, "Hey, you in the black jacket, why are you here? What are you doing on the property?" So immediately they'll contact the police.
That's great.
And why this is great, because response times right now are like 20 to 30 minutes to an hour. With this, they're going to tell the police it's an active situation. It's the fastest response times available.
And you can use a solar panel. My son did a couple of the cameras like that.
It's easy
It is
to
completely
install.
doable. What's the website? Oh,
So Deep Sentinel. It's available at Deep Sentinel, of course, SkipBedell.com.
Come on over here. All right. Speaking of
Guys,
Porch pirates.
This right here is genius, I have to tell you. Listen, take a look at this pile of boxes over here. Guys, this is everyone's front porch right now, right?
Sure.
I know my house looks like this every day. And the thing is, remember the Allstate commercials with Mayhem? Mayhem would drive around the neighborhood. Mayhem. You want to keep mayhem off your porch. You want to keep the thieves away from your door. This is genius. This is called a box gobbler. What a great name, right? Made by MB Sentinel, 100% made in the USA. But here's what's great. You give the postal worker or the FedEx guy, Amazon, whoever, the code, right? And when you set up the delivery, they put in their code. They can now open this door. Pass me that box, Steve. Watch this.
No, I'm going to do it.
Yeah, put it on there.
Delivery, Steve.
So, boom. Bang. You cut this into the side of your house or your garage. This is the flush mount version. The best part is now you have a safe for your packages.
Yeah.
They're off the porch. Think about the thieves trolling around the neighborhood. It's like sharks, right? When they see that package and that pile of packages, it's luring them to the porch. So, number one, now you don't have to be home now if you're going to receive or deliver
Okay, so that's in the wall. It looks like this is a standalone.
So the best part is if you go to boxdobber.com, you're going to find they have freestanding models. They have tons of different designs, sizes. So this is a freestander. This can be mounted on your porch. It can be mounted out at the end of your driveway, at the end of a road, if you're on a rural property. So everybody gets chewy, right? If you got pets, you get giant chewy packages. This is going to receive both giant packages and mail as well.
Look at that!
And then you can access this from the back. So what's really nice is this company, MB Sentinel, they make them out of stainless steel, aluminum, super high quality, made in the USA, but they have a lot of different sizes and options, so depending upon your application, where you're going to put it. But the whole main thing is we want to keep the packages off the porch, because now that's going to bring the criminals to your door.
Okay, that's not something you can just turn off.
You know, listen, when the criminals see the packages, it's like blood in the water to the sharks, right? So now they come to your door, they look around, they ring the doorbell, they see no one's home, and now it's time to break in. So you want to keep things like that off your porch, because that's going to deter crime to come from your house.
This is fascinating.
We love
stuff.
the cameras. Steve has one at his house, and we'll sit on the curvy couch and say, "Oh, look,
there's my wife.
Right.
Hi, honey." We'll talk to her.
Yeah. So now you're going to get a security guard saying, "Hey, Steve, what time did you get home?"
Hey, Mrs. Ducey, get off the porch now. Skip,
Thank you so
check it
much,
out.
Skip.
SkipBedell.com. All this stuff.
Yep, all that stuff.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks, guys.